Once upon a time, Timo wasn't rich. He didn't own toys or treasure. But he had big dreams of finding something that would change his life forever. One day, while wandering through the forest with nothing but his slingshot and hope, he aimed. Twang! And just like that, he caught it. But this wasn't just any bird. "Please let me go," said the bird, "and I will tell you 3 secrets that can make you the richest boy alive." Timo's eyes lit up. "Tell me first, then I'll let you go," he said, gripping the bird a little tighter. The bird looked at him and began. "Secret 1, always keep what you have." Timo smiled. That sounded easy enough. Secret 2, you won't always get everything you want. You gain some and lose some. Timo nodded quickly. Now the 3rd. The bird raised a feather. "Let me perch on that tree first, and I'll tell you the last secret." Timo, confident he was about to become the richest kid in history, opened his hands and released the bird. The bird flew to a branch, fluffed its feathers, and asked, "Tell me, what was the first secret?" Timo replied, "I should always keep what I have." The bird tilted its head. "And did you keep me?" Boom. Reality hit. Timo's smile dropped. He just let go of what he had. The bird smirked. "Now for the 3rd secret. Inside me is a diamond as big as your head." Timo's jaw hit the forest floor. "What?" He dropped to his knees, wailing. "Why did I let you go?" But the bird calmly asked, "And what was the 2nd secret?" Timo sniffled. "That I won't always get everything I want." On hearing this, Timo stopped crying. "Exactly," said the bird. "Besides, look at me. Do you really think a bird my size can carry a diamond that big?" Timo blinked. He'd been tricked, but also taught. With a flutter of wings and a final chuckle, the bird vanished into the sky, leaving behind no diamond, no treasure. Just 3 golden lessons. Did this story surprise you? Give it a like, drop a comment on what lesson hit you the hardest, and subscribe for more magical stories that make you think, smile, and maybe even laugh a little. And hey, share this with a friend who needs a clever tale today.